Hello student, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will discuss about class 9 subject computer application chapter 5 cyber safety topic 3 computer virus. Let us discuss first computer virus. What is computer virus? A computer virus is a set of programs that disrupt the normal operation of computer. Virus destroy data, it enters in the computer without the permission or knowledge of user. Virus stands for virtual information resource under siege. A computer program virus can affect programs, applications, documents and others. Let us discuss some types of computer virus. Computer virus come in different form to infect the system in different way. Find some of the most common type of computer virus here. First is boot sector virus. Next is file virus and macro virus, email virus, Trojan horse, computer worm, spyware, malware, spam, and etc. There are different types of computer virus. In this video, we will discuss these viruses one by one. Okay. Let us discuss first boot sector virus. This type of virus infects the master boot record and it is challenging and a complex task to remove this virus and often requires the system to be formatted. Mostly it spreads through removable media. Okay, ये जो वायरस है वो किससे फैलता है? रिमूवेबल मीडिया में पेन ड्राइव, CD, DVD and others. Okay. Next is file virus. File viruses attack and modify the executable or program files having extension .exe and .com, .bat. Normally they load themselves on the memory and slow infect other files. Okay, ये ऑटोमेटिकली लोड हो जाते हैं आपके सिस्टम में और जो भी फाइल होता है उसके नेम के साथ इसका एक्सटेंशन जो कि गिवन है .exe, .com, .bat दिस टाइप्स के एक्सटेंशन गिवन होते हैं और जो आपके सिस्टम की स्पीड को भी स्लो कर देते हैं. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज मैक्रो वायरस. अ मैक्रो वायरस इज अ कंप्यूटर वायरस written in the same macro language used for software programs including Microsoft Excel or word processor such as Microsoft Word. When a macro virus infects a software applications, it causes a sequence of actions to begin automatically when the application is opened. Okay. Next is email virus. An email virus comprises of malicious code that is disrupted in email messages, and this code can be activated when a user opens an email attachment, clicks on a link in an email message, or interacts in a totally different way with the infected email message. Next is Trojan horse. A Trojan horse or Trojan is a type of malware that is often disguised as legitimate software. Trojan can be employed by cyber thieves and hackers trying to gain access to users' systems. Users are typically tricked by some form of social engineering into loading and executing Trojans on their systems. Once activated, Trojan can enable cyber criminals to spy on you, steal your sensitive data, and gain backdoor access to your system. Next These actions can include deleting data, blogging data, modifying data, copying data, disrupting the performance of computers or computer networks. These are the role of Trojan horse, and that is computer worm. A computer worm is a type of malware that spreads copies of itself from computer to computer. A worm can replicate itself without any human interaction, and it does not need to attach itself to a software program in order to cause damage. Analysis is Spyware, and it is an unwanted software that infiltrates your computing device, stealing your internet usage data and sensitive information. Spyware is classified as a type of malware, malicious software designed to gain access to or damage your computer, often without your knowledge. Spyware gather your personal information and release it to advertisers, data, frames, or external users. Next is malware. Malware is an abbreviated form of malicious software. This is software that is specifically designed to gain access to or damage a computer, usually without the knowledge of the owner. There are various types of malware, including spyware, ransomware, viruses, worms, Trojan horse, adware, or any type of malicious code that infiltrates a computer. Analysis spam. Spam is referred to the use of electronic messaging system to send out unrequested or unwanted messages in bulk. Or spam is any kind of unwanted, unsolicited digital communication, often an email that gets sent out in bulk. Okay, it is unwanted messages and junk messages. Okay. How can protecting your computer? Keep up with system and software security updates. And second, enable a firewall. Keep your firewall turn on and adjust your browser setting. Install antivirus and anti-spyware software. Use update antivirus software. Next, password protect your software and lock your device. Keep your Windows operating system up to date. Use the latest version of your web browser. It is the most important. How can protecting your computer? Okay. Or define firewall. And what is firewall? A firewall is a software application that helps protect your computer from hackers who might try to delete information, crash your computer, or even steal your password or credit card numbers. Okay, understood? And please share this video and like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks to all students for visiting here. Have a nice day.